Hello and welcome to the Grade 1 Music Theory Untangled course. There are 9 lessons in this series of videos and worksheets. Watch this short video for Lesson 8, which focuses on transposition. Then find the concepts discussed in your concept sheets. Refer to these concepts as you complete the short online quiz, then as you complete the worksheets for this lesson. Mark your work using the answer sheets, and remember that there will sometimes be more than one correct answer. If you are unsure, check with your teacher. Let's get into it. Transposing a piece of music means restating the melody and chords at a different pitch level. Transposing can shift the music to be higher or lower than the original. When transposing, it's essential to preserve the exact intervals present in the original melody and chords. Transposition is used to accommodate singers or instruments' different ranges. Here is one melody that has been written in C major. The question asks for this melody to be transposed up into F major. This means that an F major key sign needs to be added, then every note needs to be moved up a fourth. Notice how every other detail is exactly the same, from whether the note is a quarter note or crotchet, or a half note or minute, whether it uses staccato, slurs, or dynamics. Everything remains the same, however there are 2 major differences. The first one is the key signature at the beginning to maintain the same pattern of tones and semitones. The second is that some of the stems are now going down rather than up, or up rather than down, because the round part of the note head has moved. When transposing, follow these steps, which can also be found in your concept sheets. Firstly, work out the key, then write out the scale degree numbers you will need. For example, if your original key is C major, then you will write the notes of the scale in that key, which means write C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C, and under each of those notes, write the scale degree numbers to match of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then you will write the notes of scale in key. Then you will write the notes of the scale of the new key. For example, if you are to transpose into G major, you will write G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G, and under each of those notes write in their scale degree numbers to match it of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. On the answer staff, write in the clef the key signature of the new key, the time signature, and the bar lines. Then write in each note to match the scale degree numbers in the new key. Check the question for which way you need to transpose, up or down. Finally, add in any markings from the original melody. The most common mistakes students make are transposing in the wrong direction. Read the question to determine if you are moving the melody up or down. If the question doesn't specify, then move it to the closest interval needed. The other most common mistake is forgetting to add all the details, the clef, the new key sign, the time sign, and any markings from the original. You are now ready to work through the Lesson 8 online quiz, then the worksheets. The information in this lesson can be found in your concepts sheets. Refer to these as you complete the online quiz, then again as you complete the worksheets for this lesson. Mark your work by comparing your answers to the answer sheets. Remember that there may be more than one correct answer for each question. If you are unsure, check with your teacher. See you next lesson.